Good morning, friends. Today, let us have a discussion on relationship types, relationship sets, roles, structural constraint. Among these things, I'll going to cover up only one thing, that is relationship types. Got it? Before that, we'll be discussing the company database in detail. Okay, then we'll go ahead so that you can understand each and everything, okay, in detail. Now, relationship types, it is defined like this: a relationship ship type are among n entities. See here now, let me try to explain word by word. Relationship type, what is that relationship type? It is a R. It is a R is a relationship type. Okay, and among entities, how many entities? N entities. Among n entities, n can be 1 to n. It can be any integer value, 1 2 3 4 5. So it starts from 1. At least you need one entity to build the relationship. Got it? So I will, why it is 1, why it, so the even if it is a 2, easily you can build the relationship. Okay, employee works for department, so department and employee are the two entities and works for this the relationship type. Got it? Then if there will be 3 entities and there exists one relationship type, got it? Like this, there may be n entities which are participating in relationship type R. Got it? Defines a set of associations. Set of associations. So see here now, a relationship type, it is R. This is R. Among how many entities? N entities. Among n entities. Okay, which are those entities? E1, E2, E3, so on up to En. Got it? N can be 1 to n, it is any integer value. Now, which defines these things? A relationship type are among n entity types, E1, E2, E3, so on up to En, defines a set of associations. Set of associations. What is that set of associations? We will go to see it later. Okay, in the next slides. Got it? Now, see here now, how the relationship will going to exist. Whenever an attribute of one type, see here now, on one entity type refers to another entity type. Try to read this sentence twice or thrice, you can understand. Whenever an attribute of one entity type refers to another entity type, some relationship exists. Say now, again one more time I am going to read it. Whenever an attribute of one entity type refers to another entity type, some relationship exists. See here now, what it means. I'll take an example. Employee, there is one, what is that? SSN number is there. In department, SSN manager SSN number is there. Got it? Manager and department and entity, employee. Department and employee, these two are the entities. These two are the entities now. Whenever an attribute of one entity type means department, there is one entity, one attribute, that is manager SSN. Okay, that attributes of department refers to another entity type which refers to that employee entity type. Okay, then there exists a relationship. There exists a relationship. What is that? See here now. manager manages department or employee manages department. Employee manages is the what? Relationship. Okay, employee is what? Entity type, one entity type. Manages is relationship. And which department he manages? Department is another entity type. So employee and department are two entities which they are having the relationship, that is manages. What it? So we'll see these set of examples now. The attribute manager of a department. Manager means there you have one attribute called a manager SSN. That attribute of a department refers to employee. Refers to which table? Employee table. Who manages the department? So here department is a E1. Department is a E1. Its attribute A is an attribute of a department, okay, which this A is referring to employee table. Which table it is referring? Employee table. Okay, then there is a relationship. What is that relationship? Manages the department. Let me see you explain you this, all of you. I'll come back to these examples little bit later. Now you see these things. Where is that? Yeah, this thing carefully. Now, which is the first table? How many tables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tables are there. First, RIA. Which is the first table?
Employee table, sir.
Employee is an entity or an attribute?
Entity, sir.
It is an entity. Good. Okay, which are the attributes of that employee?
First name.
Good.
Minute, last name.
Okay. Yes. Middle
SSN,
initial, last name. SSN, social security number.
Birth date, address.
Okay.
Sex.
Okay.
Salary, super
Okay.
SSN.
Super
DA.
SSN and department number. Okay. See, you explain now which is the primary key in this key attribute.
SSN number.
SSN is the key attribute. Then now super SSN is what?
Foreign key, sir.
Foreign key. Okay. Which table it will going to refer? It is a SSN means same table it is referring. Same table. Got it? And department number is also from foreign key because
Foreign
that
key.
is it is there. D number is there. Got it? It is referring to department table. Is there any doubt in the first table? All of you. I am asking
No, sir.
all of you.
No, sir.
No, you understood. What about
No,
Kiran?
sir.
Yes. Then other.
No, sir.
Soumya, Leena,
No,
Snehal, Sujit and Sumaya, whatever who has joined. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, see here now. Second table. Soumya.
Sir.
Here
Department.
it is.
Department, sir.
Which is a entity and what are the attributes? Which is key attribute and which are the foreign keys?
Department entity, sir.
Hmm.
Department name,
Hmm.
department number, MGR SSN, sir.
Manager SSN. Okay. Then
Manager start date, attributes.
manager start date means every department will be having the name and every department is having the unique number, hence it is a primary key. So department number is a key attribute and manager SSN. So manager SSN, the employee who is managing that department, his social security number will be here. Example, MCA department number 2 and SSN number is 1, 2, 3, 4 something. From which date he has started managing, that will be there. So if you want any information related to that employee who is managing this department, so you can refer to this particular SSN tab column. Okay, then there you can see his first name, middle initial, last name, then date of birth, then address, sex, salary, supervisor SSN, who is supervisor for him, and in which department he is working. All the information you can get it by referring to this. Got it? Same thing here. See here now. An attribute manager. What is that manager here? Here is the manager SSN. Okay. This attribute of department table, this what is that manager SSN of this attribute of a department table refers to what? It refers to employee table. Okay, so using this foreign key, these two are related now. Okay, so while referring to this, there exists a relationship, then only it can able to refer it. So what is the relationship? Manages. This so and so employee manages this department. Got it? So this is. Now let me explain. Then, okay, Kiran, now you tell me department location.
Department number, sir. Department location.
Okay.
Department number is foreign.
Department number
Foreign
is
key,
what?
sir. Foreign key, sir.
Foreign key. Then which is the key attribute here? Which is key attribute?
Department location, sir.
Department number and a department location, both together we will call it as a key attribute.
Key attribute.
Okay, not only one, department number and department location. These two are the what? Key attributes, where
Okay.
department number is what? It is a foreign key. Got it?
Foreign key.
Now, department number alone, it is a foreign key. Department number and department location, both together, it is a primary key. Got it? And tell me, what is the entity type? What is the entity name? Kiran Garu.
Yes, sir.
What is the entity name? Department locations.
Location. Yes, sir.
Department locations is the entity type, and
Entity
these
type.
are the
Yes.
attributes, and these two are the key attributes, and this is the foreign key. Okay, good. Now,
Yes, sir.
who is there? Lina. Now you tell me project.
Sir.
Hmm.
Project is entity, sir.
Project
And,
is a entity.
P name, P number,
Okay.
P location, and D num is the entity, and P number is the primary key.
What is the entity?
And,
What is the entity?
Project name, project number, project locations, and D num.
These are
These
the
are entities,
attributes.
sir.
Madam, these are the attributes.
Sorry, attributes, sir.
Okay. Project is an entity.
Sir.
Then which is a key
And,
attribute?
Project number, sir.
Project number is a key attribute. Okay. Then P location is a foreign key or what? P location is what?
Nothing foreign, sir.
Hmm? Foreign key.
Sir, these are. No, sir. I confused, sir, this time.
It is foreign key because see here now, department location is there. No, in that location it is going to project is going on. So it is a foreign key. What about this department number? Denum. See here.
Primary key, sir.
No. Here it is.
Sir, sorry, for foreign key, sir.
Foreign key because in department it is a primary key. Got it? Good. Then
Sir.
Snehal.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Works on is a entity, sir.
Good.
And employment SSN and project number is a foreign key.
Hey, for both together, these are the primary
primary
keys.
key.
Both
Primary.
together. Both together. Okay. Then ESSN itself is a foreign key because it is referring to employee table. P number, project number is a foreign key, only a project number. So it will refer to project table. Okay. Good. And Rs is a what? It is a attribute. Okay, then who is there in the thing now? Who's left? Is there anybody? Sumaya, ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Yes, sir.
ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇಟ್ಟೊತ್ತನೆ ನೀವು ಯಾರೂ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಯಾರದಿರೋ ಯಾರು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಅದೀನಿ ರೀ ಅದು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ನಾವು ಸುಮಯ್ಯ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್.
Sir, that dependent is entity, sir.
Entity, very good.
ESN is a foreign key, sir.
ESSN is a foreign key.
And department name is
Department name.
primary key, sir.
ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ? ಬರೀ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Department.
ನೇಮು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ESSN ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎರಡೂ both together. ಯಾವುದು in which table which key attribute, which attribute is underlined, that is if there is only one attribute which is having the underline means that is a key attribute, primary key attribute. If the table is having more than one attribute is underlined means those who are the attributes which are underlined, all those are together, it is a primary key. Example, department locations, D number and D locations, these two are underlined means these two together it is a primary key. Got it? In works on, ESSN number and project number both together it is a primary key. In the dependent, ESSN and department name, okay, it is a for primary key, both together it is a primary key. Got it? And only ESSN is a foreign key. Got it? And others are the, what is that? Attributes. Attributes. Hope you these things understood, all of you. Any doubt over here?
Yes, sir.
Is there anybody having any doubt in any of the tables?
No, sir.
No doubt. Okay, now I'll move to this. See here now. Just to go through all these tables, I will ask you some of the questions. First, go one by one. How many employees are there? Okay. Then here, before I proceed to this, see here now, all of you. Whenever you write the entity name, the entity name should be in the capital letters. All the letters should be in capital. See here now how they have written. All of them are in capital. How the attributes names are written? How the attribute names are written?
First one is capital, sir.
First, sir,
Exactly.
capital letter.
Only first letter is the capital letter. Only first letter is the capital letter, and rest of the things are in small letters. Is it clear? This is the notations you have to follow. Okay. Whenever you write the attribute name, first letter should be capital and remaining should be small letters. Okay. Whenever you write the, what is that? Yeah, entity names, okay, all of them should be written in a capital letters. Okay, yes, fine. In the schemas, not in values of the entity set, ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Got it? Entity set means these values in the employee table. Here in the employee table, John, Franklin, Alcia, then others, Jennifer up to James. These are the values of a F name. These are the values of a middle name. These are the last names, SSN numbers, date of birth, this address, then sex, then salary, supervisor SSN, and department numbers. Okay, just see here now. All of you go through this SSN number. Each and every number is unique. All of you go. Just, are you able to read the things in your screens? Kiran, Riya, Sumaya, Soumya, Lina, Snehal.
Sir, it's so
Yes,
small,
sir.
sir.
No. Not able to see?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, we can.
Now, see, if it is not there, I am going to share this there, because this is very important. Throughout this book, I am referring the same example. Okay, these table values are very important. So, if possible, you can take a 1 or 2 pages of printout of that and keep with you whenever that DBMS class is there. No, you just keep with beside your laptop or a mobile. So we will be having all the queries will be executed all the with respect to theory class. Okay, and whenever the examples are solved based on these values. So if you understood, if you are having this thing, okay, you can easily understand this. Got it? Now all the SSN numbers are unique here. Got it? This is one. Now see here now. Super SSN. Super SSN means it is a supervisor SSN. Now first supervisor SSN number is 333445555. Okay. See, if you see who is that SSN, where in the SSN column you just see here, let me take a pen. See, he is a manager. He is a manager. 333445555. Who is that? This person. This person is a manager. This person is a manager because 333445555. Got it? Who is another manager? Supervisor 888665555. Where is that 888? Okay, here. He is also a supervisor. He is supervising some employees. Okay, then who is 987654321? 987, this person is also a supervisor. Like this, if you go with this, okay, you will come to know. Okay, this side then 333 is also done, and this is also 333 Yes. Now see, these three are the persons who are the supervisors in this table. These three are the supervisors. Now if you take John Smith, okay, who is his supervisor? His supervisor is this person, 33344. Who is that 33344? This. So John is working under Franklin. Franklin supervises John. Got it? Then this Now, Franklin is working under 88866. Who is that 88866? This person. Okay, Franklin is working under James. So James is the supervisor for this Franklin. Got it? So you like this, you can have it. So this also I will going to explain later in the next slides. Okay. Similarly, if I come to this department, how many departments are, say, how many employees are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 employees. There are how many employees? There are 8 number of employees who are working in the company. Got it? How many departments are there? 1, 2, 3. Which are those department? Research department is there. Administration department is there. Headquarters department is there. Which are the departments? Research, administration, headquarters. Research, administration, headquarters, these are the 3 departments. What are those numbers? 5 is the research department number. 4 is the administration department number. 1 is the headquarters department number. And who is managing this research department? This 333. Who is that 333? This. Where is that 333? This. Franklin is looking after that research department. He is the manager for that research department. Got it? Who is the manager for administration? 987 this. Okay, where is that? 987 this. Yeah, here. Jennifer is the manager for administration department, whose department number is 4. Then headquarters, who is the manager? This 888, this person, last, James. James is the manager for this department number 1, which is headquarters. Is it understood, all of you? Got it? All of you understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see,
Yes, sir.
department location. I am explaining this now. Department location. So here department number and a department locations together, it is a primary key. Got it? Now, department number 1. Which is the department number 1? Any one of you? Which is the department number 1?
Headquarters, sir.
Headquarters. Okay. Which is located at Houston. Which is located at Houston. Then department number 4. Which is the department number 4?
Administration.
Administration.
sir.
Administration is located at Stanford. Which is located at Stanford. Then department number 5. See here now. Department number 5 is which one? Research department. Research department is located in 3 different locations. One is at, see here now, where is that cursor? One is there at, what is that? Bel-Air, and second one is just Sugarland, and third one location is Houston. It is located in 3 different locations, 3 different cities. Okay, but the department number is same. But if you take these, see here now, if you take these two only, so it is a different value. Is it clear? Now, if you take this Sugarland and department number 5, it is a different value. Okay, it is a unique, and department number 5 and Houston. If you take these two, again it is a different. If you take only department number, see here now, already 5 is here, 5 is here, 5 is here. So it will not become a primary key, because primary key should be unique. Okay, if you take only department location, will it become a primary key? No. Why? Because see here now, first department number 1 is also located in Houston, department number 5 is also located in Houston. So here duplicate values, so it will not become what? A primary key. Department location alone it will not become a primary key. Hence department number and department location both together it will be what? Primary keys. Is it understood? Is this table is understood? Why both together are primary keys? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Good. Now let me move to works on table. Works on. Okay. Before moving to works on, I'll cover up this project. So project is an entity. Now P name, P number, P location, and department number. Now see here now P name, project name, and every project will be having some numbers, unique numbers, that is primary key here, key attribute. And P location, in which location it is handling, got it, and which department is controlling that project, which department is controlling that project. Example, product X, this product X, this project is controlled by department number 5. What is that project? Department number 5? What is that department number 5? Any one of you?
Research.
Research department. Okay, who is the manager of that department? Who is the manager of that department, research department?
Franklin, sir.
This 3334455, who is that? Is a Franklin. Franklin is the department head. Got it? See how these tables are related now. We are having the relationship among these tables. Got it? Similarly, product Y will be there, project Y will be there. Okay, sorry, in that project table, product Y is there, which is handled by department number 2, and the location is Sugarland, and again it is also controlled by department number 5. Like this, all the departments will be there, all the projects will be there. These are the projects. How many projects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 projects are going on in different locations. Okay, and with handled by different departments. Now, works on. This works on means it is again entity type. Now, ESSN, which employee is working on which project number? Which employee is working on which project number? Why these two, ESSN and project number, together it is a primary key? Here I'll explain. See here now, one employee can work on more than one project. One employee can work on more than one project. So if you take me, this ESSN is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is a ESSN. Okay, ESSN, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who's this person? This person. Okay, John B. Smith is the person. He is working in project number 1. Which is that project number 1? Product X. Product X is the project number 1. Same employee, see here now, again that John Smith, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, who is having the ESN number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, he is also working in project number 2, that is product Y. See here now, this person ESSN John Smith who is having the ESSN, he is working in two different projects. If you take only ESSN as a primary key, then here the same value and here also same value. So what is the primary key? It should be unique. So it will not form a, only ESSN will not form a, what is that? Primary key. Then if you take only project numbers, what happens? See here now, this person 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, he is also working in the project number 1. This person 453, 453, 453, this person is also working in project number 1. Okay, is there any person? No. Okay, if these persons are working in project numbers 1, here also 1 is there, here also 1 is there, again there is a same value in the same particular attribute, then it alone project number will not become a primary key. Got it? So hence they have taken ESSN number and project number. Now here in this case, see here now, this person is working, that John Smith is working in project number 1 and the John Smith is working in project number 2. So here these two, when you consider these two values, okay, this is a different value, and when you consider this is a different value. Got it? Like this, any one must be different in this. Got it? Whenever here both values should be considered. So that John Smith, who is working in the project number 1, he worked for 32 hours. Got it? And the same person for the project 2, he works for 7.5 hours. Like this, all the entries will be here. Is it understood? Works on table?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then dependent.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Dependent. Now this dependent is an entity type. Now see here now, ESSN number and dependent name, these two are primary keys. Now who is this ESSN number? Now 333445555. Who is that? He is a Franklin. For him, who are all the dependents? See here now, Alice, dependent name, then it is a sex is female, her date of birth is this 1986 April 5th, and she is the daughter of that Franklin. Got it? For him, see here now, for him, where is that? For that Franklin, she is the daughter. Now for the same ESN number, who is that person? Franklin. That Franklin is having one more dependent name, that is Theodore. Okay, Theodore. He is a male and his date of birth is 1983 October 25th, and the relationship between that Franklin and he, that dependent name is a son for the Franklin. There is one more 333445555. Again he is a Franklin. For his having one more dependent, that is Joy. Okay, she is female and date of birth is May 3rd 1958, and she is a spouse, means wife. These three persons, Alice, Theodore and Joy, these three are the dependent on this person. Who is that? Franklin. Now why we are taking ESSN number and dependent name as a primary key? That is the question. Can any one of you answer this question? Can any one of you? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Lina and Snail, can you answer for this question? Why dependent name and ESSN both together will call it, we are considering it as a key attribute? Why not only ESSN? Why not only dependent name?
Because they are present in employee sir. ESSN.
ESSN present in, no, you can have
Employee.
it, no problem, but why we need to take both together as a key attribute? Why not only ESSN, or why not
Relation.
only dependent name?
Sir, ESN and department is relationship to the employee table and department table, sir.
Can you repeat?
ESN if table belongs to employee table, sir. Department name is belongs to department name, sir. Is
Dep-
relationship, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ?
ESN and ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಎರಡು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೋತ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಎರಡೂ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ESSN ಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ ಬೇಡ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ESSN ಬೇಡ. ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮನ್ನು ಒಂದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನಂದ್ರೆ
ಯುನಿಕ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ರಿ ಸರ್. Repeat ಆಗ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ದೆನ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಿ ನಾನು ESSN ಒಂದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ನೋ
ESSN
ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ESSN ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? If you take only ESSN as an primary key, I am not considering the dependent name, only ESSN, then what happens? Lina?
Sir.
Do you know the answer?
No, sir.
Okay. Soumya?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಈ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ.
Names
ನೇಮ್ಸ್
ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ESSN ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ESSN ಒಂದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ?
ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅದ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹೆಸರು ಇರಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೀ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಬರೀ ESSN ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಬ್ಬರಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
See here now, I'll tell you. Here he is the employee 1. Here is the employee 1. This person is employee 2. This person is employee 2. Employee 2. And this person is employee 3. Employee 3. Who is that employee 1? What is his name? What is his name?
Franklin.
333 What is his name? ನೀವು ಇ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ
Franklin.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರಾಂಕ್ಲಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಅಲೈಸ್, Theodore and Joy. These three persons are depending on that Franklin. ಹೌದು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ 98764532 ಯಾರ್ಯವನು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಿ ಟು? Jennifer. Jennifer is the another person. Okay, who is having the dependent? Who is the dependent? Abner. Okay, he is a male, and then this date of birth is this, and he is the spouse. Means this employee 9845 is what? Jennifer. Jennifer is a lady. Okay, this lady is having the dependent whose name is her husband. Okay, his name is Abner, and date of birth is so and so, and his relationship is husband. Got it? Now one more employee is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Who is that? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This John B. Smith. John B. Smith
John,
is,
sir.
yeah, John B. Smith is also an employee who is having the dependents. Who are all those his dependents? His dependents are Michael, Alice, and Elizabeth. Michael is a son, and Alice is a daughter, and Elizabeth is a spouse, means his wife. Now see here, now these are the three employees who are having the dependents. Okay, I don't know what about other employees, whether they are married or not. Got it? It is not specified in this table, but here from this table, these are the only three employees who are having the dependents. Got it? Now let me explain. If I take only this ESSN number as a primary key, see here, now here also this person is having three dependents. So here also 33344 333445555 333445555 333445555. So multiple values will be there. Same values will going to enter multiple times. Here same value will be again multiple entered 3 times. Hence, what is primary key? It should be unique. So if you take only this thing, it will not be, does not form a primary key. Got it? Because primary key should be unique. Why? Because of this we are not taking only ESSN as a primary key, the primary key in this table. Now here, if I take only this dependent name, see here, now this Franklin is also having the daughter whose name is Alice, and this John B. Smith, he is also having the daughter, her name is also Alice. A different employee can have a different names, right? The same employee will not be having the same wife name and same son name, same daughter name, same another daughter name. No. What it? If you think of your family members, father name and his siblings. Okay, his siblings means his daughter's son, and your uncles may have their daughters or son's name may be same, but for your father, okay, your wife, his wife name, his daughter name, whatever the number of daughters, and son's name, all of them are different. That's why, so if you take this and this employee number and this, what is this? Dependent name. When you consider these two, so it will become a unique. It will become a unique. Hence, they have taken both together as a primary key. Is it understood now? Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts over here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. See here now. This table is very, very, very important because we're going to execute all the queries. I'm going to clear all your queries with respect to database management system, okay, by taking these tables, by referring these tables. How many employees are working in so this and the working in so and so department, okay, how which project, which department is handling which project, okay, and who are all the employees working on that department, all such kind of things, okay, we're going to execute, we're going to clarify all your doubts by using this table. So I will send you this diagram, okay, you can keep with you whenever the queries will be asked, whenever such thing will be asked. See here now, if you come to this now, the attribute manager of a department refers to an employee. Manager, which is that here. If you take a manager of this, where is the department table? Here, research. This department manager 333445555, he is the manager. Okay, this is an attribute of this entity referring to employee. Referring to employee, this forms a relationship. This forms a relationship. What is that? Manager manages department. Manager manages department. Manages is what? It is a relationship. Is a relationship. Which manager and how it is related, that it will going to form. Second example, sorry. The attribute controlling department of a project. Okay, in the project table we are having the department number which controls that project. Okay, which controls that project. See here now, where is that project? Here it is. Okay, here it is. So if I take this project number 1, sorry, department number 1, department number 1 of the project, okay, this project number means department number 1 controls this project. Which is the department number 1? Research, sorry, headquarters. Headquarters department controls product X. So what is the relationship? That is what? Controls. So and so department controls so and so projects. So this attribute of an entity refers to another entity. Okay, that forms a relationship. Here project number of that project, department number. No, sorry, department number. Department number, okay, controls, which is the department number? Research department controls which project? Product X. Again, this product department number 1, headquarters, this controls, what is that? Recognition. Okay, all this. Then if you go to third example, the attribute of a supervisor of an employee refers to another employee. See here now, as we discussed, this attribute supervisor SSN of an employee table, which referring to, where is that 33344? This Jennifer. So this Jennifer, sorry, where is that 333? Yeah, here, Franklin. Franklin is is the supervisor for the first employee, John Smith. John B. Smith. Like this is a referring. So it forms a relationship. Then, what is the last example? The attribute of a department number. Employee refers to the department for which employee works. See here now. Attribute of a department, attribute department of a employee. See here now. Here, department number 5. Which is that department number 5? Which is that department number 5? Which is the department number 5?
Research.
Research. In that research department, this John B. Smith is working. Got it? Again, so second employee, he is also working in the department number 5. Again, who is that? Franklin is also working in the research department. 4. Okay. 4. Who is that? Department number is administration.
Administration.
The third person, Alicia, is working in department number 4. Like this, these forms in which works for which department. Works for is a relationship. This employee works for this department. So this is the relationship. So one attribute of an entity type refers to another entity which forms a relationship. Which forms a relationship, that is called as relationship. Okay, is it understood, all of you? Just a brief introduction about the relationship types. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. With this, I conclude today's
Yes, sir.
class.
Yes, sir.